Oh,
what's going on, guys? Today is an exciting day. We're installing an intake today, boys. Filter, instructions, all that good stuff. We're gonna be installing that today. Alright guys, just finished. Took about like a good 30 or 40 minutes. Everything is nice and tucked in. I'm gonna do intake clips probably next day because it's kind of dark outside. Alright guys, today we are in Mexico. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm gonna show you guys the intake.
oh shit.
Shout out to my cousin, filming for me, you know what I'm saying? Gang, gang, gang shit. I'll see you guys back at home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and let me know what you guys think of this intake. And I'll see you guys next time in the next one.